Why do scuba divers fall backwards out of the boat? Because if they fell forwards they'd still be in the boat. The shape that your mouth makes when you say the word poop is that same that your anus makes. This also works for explosive diarrhea. I was fired from the keyboard factory. They said I wasn't putting in enough shifts. What's the best nation in the world? Donation. Man, I wish I got paid to sleep. It has always been my dream job. What kind of jokes are told on a farm? Corny ones. What do you get when a comedian is stuck in a time loop? What do you get when a comedian is stuck in a time loop? Why did the chicken commit suicide? To get to the other side. Why did the Mexican take a Xanax? Hispanic attacks. Why do some couples not go to the gym? Because some relationships don't work out. Why does everyone in Athens, Santorini and Mykonos sleep in until noon? Because dawn is tough on Greece. What's the difference between me and a calendar? A calendar has dates. You should always knock on the fridge door before you open it. There could be a salad dressing. My friends and I went to a cooking class on spices. We had the time of our lives. Russell Crowe was arrested for suspected cannibalism. His neighbor called the police after she heard him say that he was glad he ate her. What do you call emissaries from Legoland? Diplomats. How do you make a horse drink? Put it in a blender. We now know what car Jesus used to drive, since he specifically said that he doesn't speak of his own accord. What do you call it when you fail a drug test? You're in trouble. Took a baking course. Passed with flying crullers. Geology rocks. But geography is where it's at. What did Noah use to illuminate the ark at night? Floodlights. I'm Bob Jeffy. You don't want to miss this. There's a bonus dad joke waiting for you at the end of the episode. Let's spread some happiness, or pain, with these jokes. Wishing you a great day, and I'll be back with more jokes tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in. Looking for more dad joke humor to share? Then subscribe to our new weekly email newsletter. It's our weekly roundup of the best dad jokes, memes, and humor for you to enjoy. Spread the laughs and groans, and sign up today. Check the sign up link in the show notes page or visit dailydadjokespodcast.com. Do you have your own dad joke you want to share? Join the hundreds of listeners who have submitted their own dad jokes through my voicemail. Please spread the laughs and groans and submit your own dad joke to our voicemail, with the best ones to be included in special fan episodes. Just leave your name, the city and state you live in, and your best dad joke. Call 978-393-1076. I'll repeat that number, it's 978-393-1076, or check the show notes page for the number. I look forward to hearing from you. The Daily Dad Jokes podcast is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for social media links and joke credits. What's blue and not very light? Dark blue.